Assalamu alaikum, my Pakistani brothers and sisters from. This is Sajid Ali Haider, your investment partner here in Istanbul, Turkey. Today, I have an important message for you. A solution to secure your and your family's future. Many of you have been living in the for years. You have established your businesses, careers and lives there. But recently, the visas for Pakistani, and this is alarming situation for the people who are already well established in. I'm sure many of you are concerned what will happen if one day they force you to leave the country. At that time, what will be the future of your business, your family, your children and your stability? Unfortunately, no matter how long you stay, they do not offer permanent residency or citizenship to expatriates. This means you will always be a foreigner in dependent on visa renewal. But don't worry, there is a solution. Turkish citizenship by real estate investment. Yes, with $400,000 investment, you can get citizenship and direct passport of Turkey along with your family within 3 to 6 months only. Turkey is the best second passport and citizenship option for Pakistanis residing. Here is why. 100% ownership of property. Yes, the property you are going to invest here in Turkey will be on your own name. You will be the sole owner of your property. Visa-free travel. Yes, with the Turkish passport, you can travel more than 110 plus countries without visa or visa on arrival. Strong economy. Yes, Turkish economy is 17th largest economy in the world. Family citizenship. Yes, when you are going to invest $400,000 in real estate, you will be getting your passport along with your family. Under 18 children are included in your citizenship, and the parents of main applicant as well as spouse are eligible to get their residency here in Turkey. No residency required. Yes, when you are going to apply for the citizenship of Turkey, you are not supposed to live and reside in Turkey. You can reside in free healthcare and education. Exactly. After getting your citizenship of Turkey, you will be eligible to get free healthcare and your children free education. What do you need more? We cordially invite our Pakistani brothers and sisters from the to come to Istanbul for a 3 days property tour. We will arrange your airport transfer, luxury hotel accommodation and property visits, and you can see by your own investment opportunities here in Istanbul, Turkey. If you agree to invest in your future, we will give you A to Z all services until getting your citizenship and family passports. The time to act is now. Don't wait until it's too late. Secure your future, your family and your investment. Contact Team Multimul Consultancy and let us help you to get your Turkish citizenship and passport now.